about to replace a brake on your wheelchair, the first thing you want to do is to lock down the wheel that you're not going to be replacing the brake on, just by pulling or pushing the handle. To remove the brake, I will have either 1 or 2 bolts that run through it, depending on the manufacturer. Loosen the nuts from the back side, pull the brake off, then replace it with a new brake, being sure to line it up as close as possible to the original placement. Tighten down the assembly from the inside. Test your brakes by applying the pressure. Make sure that you do not over apply and ruin the tire, but enough pressure to lock the wheel down.